Hello, good evening. Namaskar. This is the view of my terrace after some rainfall. The weather was quite hot in the morning, but this rain has provided some sort of relief. Last year, there had been tremendous summers, but this year there is respite because of the rains in between. So it's very pleasant to sit over here and watch the beauty of nature. The birds are flying high up in the sky from here to there, and they are also enjoying themselves. You can see on the rooftop how they are enjoying themselves. Some crows are also there, the pigeons are there, some are moving to another rooftops, some are coming in and joining them. So, all human beings need respite in some way or the other. The news of the war is scary and frightening. All the people need to stay safe and healthy in their houses. I pray to God for the well being of each and every individual. Summer vacations are on the way. Some schools are going to close from tomorrow onwards, but I am opening the school for 3 more days because of some of the training and the meetings. Today there was also a bit of lightning. Thunderbolt was there that frightened me. But the respite that we get from rain can be found nowhere. The pigeons are again flying. See, this is the sight of the evening, but they are not willing to retreat to their nest because of the winds and the cool weather. All are sitting on the rooftops to enjoy the weather, the pleasant and the changed weather. One peculiar thing or magical thing that is happening in my garden is that this flower, it is there in my garden for the past 1 week, for 7 days, but it is still fine. It doesn't want to go away from my garden. It's still fresh as ever, and the color is so divine, white and pinkish tint. But I think from tomorrow onwards, it will also fade away. So, which shows us, or which teaches us, or tells us that nothing in life is permanent. Nothing is permanent or constant. Everything changes. Everything is temporary in life. So, this flower taught me that we should stay firm in every situation. And my Aprajita plant also bore, these are double petaled Aprajita plants. It had bored flowers, and I felt very happy in the morning to see so many flowers. Yesterday, the leaves were drooping when I came to water them, but in the morning when I came to have my cup of tea here, I saw so many flowers. I was overjoyed. So these small things give us great happiness. So that's why hobby gardening is a pleasure. Now some raindrops are again falling down upon me. This one is white Aprajita. Again it has started raining. See my turtle vine. It is blooming in shape. I have to retreat inside because the raindrops are falling heavily and I'm scared of my smartphone getting wet. So here I am sitting on my terrace steps and see how the birds are flying here and there. They are just flying and trying to save themselves from the rain. Some are still there enjoying the raindrops. Oh my god, see. They are enjoying the raindrops still. Crows are also there. See. Now this is a live view from my garden during the rain. And it is feeling so divine, like it's rainy season. The noise of the rains, the pitter patter. It looks so divine. A bit of cleaning work has to be done in my garden. And again I have a little story to tell you all that I will tell after some time. See, my vegetables are also having a rain bath. And I'm so happy today. You know why? Because today I am free from the task of watering and they are getting natural water, that is full of fertilizers. And tomorrow morning when I will come up in the morning, I will see many plants blooming again. I am not able to capture the views of the 9 o'clock plant because it's very hot during the daytime. But someday I will try. Some of the planters have also arrived. A very good set of planters have arrived. It is of very good quality, premium quality. I will show you all in a short video. You can also purchase, and it is also helpful to decorate your indoor garden or your balcony garden. I have specially brought it for my windowsill. I will show you when I will do the repotting and all. The rain has started following again. The thunder lightning also showing up in the sky, so I need to switch off my mobile. Thank you, bye bye. Thanks for watching. We'll meet again with my next vlog. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Please like, share and subscribe if you like my vlogs. Thank you.